SBA Publications.
Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope that you all are very well at your homes. Students, today we are going to start chapter 15, that is bricks and bridges. Students, in this chapter we will learn about that how bricks are manufactured and different types of bricks. So, let's start with reading. Long ago, houses were built with simple materials like wood, stones and mud. Then came the use of bricks. पहले मिट्टी से बनते थे घर, मिट्टी का यूज़ करके, वुड का, स्टोन्स का, और धीरे धीरे हमने ईंटों को बनाना सीखा, ब्रिक्स को बनाना सीखा और फिर ब्रिक्स से घर बनने लग गए. Over the years, more complex materials like cement, concrete and special waterproof paints have been made and used. Now we even have materials that can be kept safe from insects like termites that are known to eat away wood. Now manufacturing a brick. हम brick की manufacturing कैसे करते हैं? Let's start with reading this. Bricks are the most common material used in building houses. They have been used for hundreds of years. They are rectangular in shape and are made of clay. They are usually red in color and quite heavy. कुछ इस टाइप से ब्रिक्स बनाई जाती है, जहाँ जैसे यहाँ पर ये women ब्रिक्स बना रही है. Lumps of clay are grounded into a very fine powder and seeded to get rid of stones, seeds, etc. It is then mixed with the correct quantity of water and kneaded with hands and legs to get soft dough. This dough is then put into brick molds. These are then neatly piled in lines in the field to dry in the sun. After about 2 weeks, they are put in brick kilns and baked. This process is called firing and it makes the bricks hard and durable. मिट्टी को सॉफ्ट करके उसे गीला किया जाता है, फिर उनको जो शेप देने के लिए हम उनको फिल करते हैं मोल्ड्स में, और उसके बाद जब उसको सुखाया जाता है और आग में पकाया भी जाता है. इस तरीके से हमें पूरी एक प्रॉपर ईंट यानी कि ब्रिक मिलती है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली ब्रिक मेकिंग लीड्स टू हैवी पोल्यूशन. इसमें ही जो ब्रिक किल्न है, जिसको भट्टी भी बोलते हैं, इसी में ईंटों को पकाया जाता है. They create very heavy pollution and severely affect the health of kiln workers. It can be prevented now as a solution has been found by a retired engineer, Henry Lai. We can now use a brick which is green in color and it is called green brick. It is made by using waste product of coal and power plant. पावर प्लांट और कोल का यूज करके हम ऐसी ब्रिक बना सकते हैं जो इको फ्रेंडली होती है. नाउ ब्रिज क्या होते हैं? ब्रिज आर द स्ट्रक्चर्स दैट आर जनरली यूज्ड टू क्रॉस अ रिवर. जैसे रिवर है नीचे और ऊपर क्या बना हुआ है? ब्रिज. क्योंकि हम रिवर को कैसे क्रॉस करेंगे, उसके लिए कुछ चाहिए हमें, तो इसके ऊपर क्या बनते हैं? ब्रिज बनते हैं. देयर आर सेवरल टाइप्स ऑफ ब्रिज. लेट्स रीड अबाउट दैम. फर्स्ट वन इज बीम ब्रिज. ये कौन सा ब्रिज है? बीम ब्रिज है. It is a simple kind of bridge in the terms of its structure. It is constructed by laying horizontal beams of steel or concrete supported by the pillars. Pillars बनाए जाते हैं. Now cantilever bridge. This is the cantilever bridge. This bridge use steel or box gauges to distribute the weight of the bridge. इसमें ब्रिज का जो वेट है वो बट जाता है. Zadukata Bridge in the West Khasi Hills in the Meghalaya is the longest spanning cantilever bridge in the India. Which bridge? Jadukata Bridge. The Howrah Bridge, built over the Hooghly River, is the finest cantilever bridge in the world. Now, arch bridge. An arch bridge is also an old type of bridge. Earlier, arch bridge was built on bricks and stones, but now concrete and steel is used in that bridge also. So, this type of bridge is characterized by a semi-circular structure. Arch bridges are stronger than the beam bridge. Now, suspension bridge. ये है हमारा arch bridge. These are bridges which are suspended with the help of cables and ropes and are attached to the towers. The Akashi Kaikyo Bridge in Japan. Which bridge? Akashi Kaikyo. Where is it? It is in Japan. Is the world's longest suspension bridge. The Vidyasagar Setu over River Hooghly is India's longest suspension bridge. इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा सस्पेंशन ब्रिज कौन सा है? विद्यासागर सेतु पे जो बना हुआ है. विद्यासागर सेतु जो कौन सी रिवर पे है? हुगली पे. ये है हमारा, ये है सस्पेंशन ब्रिज. कुछ इस टाइप से सस्पेंशन ब्रिज को बनाया जाता है. Now, movable bridge. A movable bridge is such a bridge in which a portion of the bridge can be moved up and down to give way to the passing ships or steamers. Such kind of bridges are built over busy waterways. First one is here, movable bridge. ये ब्रिज कैसा है? ये मूव करता है. जब इसको जब यहाँ पे जरूरत होती है तो इसको मूव करा दिया जाता है. Now, pontoon bridge. During floods and calamities, the army people built pontoon bridge using boats. A number of boats are tied together and a pathway laid over them for people to cross. Some of these are quite strong and remain in use for long period of time. This is pontoon bridge. Let's read the keyword. Concrete means building material that is made by mixing together cement, sand, small stones and water. Mold, a container that you pour liquid or soft substance into which then becomes solid in the same shape as the container. Kiln, a large oven for baking clay and bricks. Students, let's revise what we have learnt. Bricks are rectangular in shape and are made of clay. Carpenters work with wood and make the doors and windows, etc. An architect design or make the plan of house which has to be approved by the town planners. The painter works with brush, paints, spray guns and rollers. An arch bridge is also an old type of bridge. The Vidyasagar Setu over river Hooghly is India's longest suspension bridge. During floods and calamities, the army people built pontoon bridges using boat. Students, now exercise part is given here and you have to do this part by yourself only. Students, now your class is ending here. See you in the next class with a new topic. Bye-bye.